Welcome to Acture Solutions, your IT outsourcing partner. We're your IT ally, transforming challenges into triumphs. Struggling with IT management? Focus on growth with our reliable IT outsourcing. Benefit from scalable services that can be individually packaged. Our specialties include kindergarten to grade 12, higher education, finance, and healthcare. Experience customization like never before with our tailored service packages. We act as your trusted advisors, getting fully involved with your IT. Ensure your data is never at risk with robust cybersecurity services, including 24/7 monitoring, data backup, and disaster recovery. When issues arise, our responsive IT help desk and 24/7 support ensure you're never left in the lurch. With 40 years in business, reliable 24/7 support, and over 120 satisfied customers, we stand as a trusted source for managed IT services. But you don't have to take our word for it. Here is what some of our satisfied clients have to say about our outsourced IT services. Ready to transform your IT challenges into opportunities? Contact us today, and let's innovate together.